Which choice completes the text with the most logical transition? When designing costumes for film, American artist Suturat Larlarb typically custom fits the garments to each actor. Blink, for the film Sunshine, in which astronauts must reignite a dying sun, she designed a golden spacesuit and had a factory reproduce it in a few standard sizes. Lacking a tailor-made quality, the final creations reflected the ungainliness of actual spacesuits. So option A says nevertheless. This seems to be correct because the first sentence highlights how this artist usually custom fits the garments to each actor, but the second sentence highlights how an exception to this, which is that in this scene where they reignite a dying sun, the factory reproduced a few standard sizes of this certain spacesuit. So this second sentence highlights a contrast between what was said in the first sentence, so nevertheless also highlights this contrast, so A seems to be the correct answer. B. Thus. This is incorrect because this implies that the second sentence expands on what was said in the first sentence, or that it was a result or consequence of what was said in the first sentence. But this is not the case, because the second sentence contrasts what was said in the first sentence. So B is incorrect. C. Likewise, this is incorrect because this implies that what was said in the second sentence is similar to, but separate from what was said in the first sentence. But this is not the case because the second sentence contrasts what was said in the first sentence. So C is incorrect. D. Moreover, this is incorrect because, like B, this implies that the second sentence is a consequence or result of what was said in the first sentence, but this is simply not the case because the second sentence contrasts what was said in the first sentence. So the correct answer is A.